What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing analysis on SSYS stock. First of all, brief information about this company. Stratasys Ltd engaged in the provision of applied additive technology solutions for industries including aerospace, automotive, healthcare, consumer products, and education. Its systems include desktop 3D printers for idea and design development, various systems for rapid prototyping, and large production systems for direct digital manufacturing. The company also develops, manufactures, and sells materials for use with its systems and provides related service offerings to its customers. And today exactly their birthday, and today they are officially 23 years old company. On their website you can see a lot of information about this company, and they have a bunch of 3D printers, a bunch of materials, and as you can see they have so many industries that are strongly anticipated this type of products and this type of companies. We are interested in their investor section, and as you can see they recently made a report fourth quarter and full year 2020, and here is their summary. And we have several bullets. It is a rather good report, but in some cases it is not the best, because the company was impacted by the pandemic, and that's why their numbers compared to 2019 is not so great as it might be. But nevertheless, C executives of this company, they think that next year, they mean 2021, it will be a good year for the company, and they will improve their situation. And the latest data about this company is that they announced proposed public offering for ordinary shares, and on Seeking Alpha they mentioned that Stratasys trades 6.8% down after hours, after intending to offer up to $200 million of shares in an underwritten public offering. And for now, offer size and terms not yet disclosed. Of course, for the short term, it is not a good sign for the company, and that's why we have this sell-off. And in my opinion, from technical standpoint, it's quite obvious that we have already broke 0.5 level and bounced back, and from this point we might break this level again, and it happened. And for now we are right above 0.618 region. But I will jump into the technical analysis a little bit later, and for now let me show you institutional investors. As you can see, there are a bunch of huge institutionals that owns more than 5% of this company, and ARK Investment is one of them, and they add their position on February the 16th. Let me show you on a chart this date, and it was right here they added their position. As for other companies, you can see that majority of them are in green lines. This means they are still buying as well. And it is a good sign for the company, because these investors, they intend to invest for the long term, and that's why these companies, 3D printing companies, they have huge potential to grow. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel with notification bell. In this case, you won't miss my next video. So, from the top of this run, we have a sell-off of more than 46%. And it is a quite huge sell-off of this company, and it is rather deep retracement for the company. Nevertheless, the company with this huge potential, and with the potential of the recovery after COVID-19, I think these companies will be successful. And basically they have strong fundamentals. They have revenue of $142.4 million and $520.8 million of full year 2020. So they have a bunch of sales, and yeah, I think they will be profitable very soon, I think in a year or two. And this sell-off is just a discount for this company. And let me show you some indicators. So on 4-hour time frame, as you can see, on RSI we have some kind of divergence. We have higher low on RSI with these lower lows on price movement, and it might be a beginning of bullish divergence, but for now we cannot tell about it because we don't have the curvature to the upside. That means we have to wait until this indicator will reveal itself, because from this point we might go down right here and then bounce back, and it won't be a bullish divergence anymore because we will have lower low on RSI with the lower lows on price movement. And that's why I think in a swing trade you cannot add your position as a trader, because I don't see any signs of trend reversal, and I don't encourage you to open your short position, because shorting is not a good position for the majority of people. It is very difficult to handle this position, and for now it is just a time to consider to invest in this company. And if you've already done your own due diligence, I think these points from 0.618 to 0.65 is the best for the company for investment, because it is the most probable zone of trend reversal, and at least we will see some bounce back from these levels. And as you can see here, we have a support as well, and this price action might act as well as a support, and from this point we might go up. And for those of you who are interested in Elliot wave theory, it's very difficult to make a breakdown of this entire movement, because I can see clear retracements. My first assumption was that this was the first wave, this was the second, third, fourth and fifth, but we have to measure the entire wave in order to make some retracements. And from this point we have very bullish retracement of 0.382, and it's quite unusual for the asset, especially on the stock market, to have this type of retracement. Nevertheless, it is possible case, but I think we have to wait a little bit until the market reveal itself, and from that point I will do an update, and I will try to make some breakdowns according to Elliot wave theory. So for now I think that's it. This is your main entry point, and if we go lower, I encourage you to add your position right here, right after you do your own due diligence, because due diligence is a must when you trying to invest in the company. And I think that's it for now. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done this before, and hit the like button if you like my videos. So see you next time, guys. Bye.